I'm about complete with the driver's side installation of the 1959 taillight assembly on my 1960 Thunderbird. They're not as bright as what you see on the passenger side, which are the original, because I have super bright LEDs in those. And the 59, I just have the normal incandescent 1157s in it, and I have the backup lights on. So I hooked it where I have two backup lights, but just the one blinker as original, and the other one is the brake light, and the normal running lights are on also, but overcome by the brake light, except when it's not flashing.